Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the model and firmware so the device supports Wi-Fi extension. Next, power the Airport Express and bring it close to your router. You want a solid signal. Once done, open Airport Utility on your Mac or iOS device and make sure you are logged into the same network. Enter your router admin if prompted, then choose to set up a new device. This gets the Express talking to your network so you can change its mode to extend. You now change the Express from base station mode into extension mode so it repeats the primary network. In Airport Utility, choose Edit, go to Wireless and select Extend a wireless network. Make sure you type the SSID and security exactly as your router uses, because case matters. When the utility asks, provide the base station password and any admin credentials. After you click Update, the Express will apply settings and reboot. Wait for the amber light to turn. Finish by finding the optimal spot, halfway to the dead zone with clear line of sight when possible. Once placed, connect a client to the SSID and run a speed check to confirm improvement. Compare results to prior baseline. If the Express fails to join, reboot both router and Express, then retry the setup steps. As a final troubleshooting tip, perform a factory default on the Express and reconfigure if persistent issues remain. Doing so clears conflicts and often fixes pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.